Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to fix Monopoly Go glitch. In case of having trouble with your Monopoly game, like it's not loading or not connecting with your Facebook or you are facing some bugs in your game, you can solve all problems just by following my methods. The first thing is close your application. Now open your mobile phone setting. And in your mobile phone setting, look for the apps. Here are apps. Tap on it. And tap on the second number Manage Apps. Once you will tap on it, here you can see my all applications of mobile phone. Look for Monopoly. You can also search for it by tapping on this search apps and write Monopoly Go. Tap on it and take a look on the bottom of my mobile screen. You can see three options. Tap on this option, Clear Data, and tap on the option, Clear Cache, and also clear your app data. Close this and reopen your Monopoly Go. And if the problem is not resolved, simply uninstall this application from your mobile phone and reinstall it from the Google Play Store after the installation. Do not open the application. Restart your mobile phone. After restarting your mobile phone, open the application again. I think your problem will be solved by doing these methods. If not, then let us know in comment section. It was basic way by which you can fix Monopoly Go glitch in your mobile.